What if your next smartphone could turn into a full tablet and then into something even bigger? This is not sci-fi. This is Samsung's Galaxy Z Trifold, and it completely changes the foldable game. Hey guys, welcome back to TriTech a B. Today, we're taking a first look at Samsung's most ambitious foldable ever, the Galaxy Z Trifold. A phone, a tablet, and a productivity machine, all in one device. So let's unfold it step by step and see if this is truly the future of smartphones. Right out of the box, the moment you unfold this phone, it doesn't feel like a normal smartphone anymore. It feels like a phone-tablet hybrid, something foldable phones promised for years. And now it's finally here. The inner display stretches to a massive 10 inches. And honestly, this feels like a proper tablet. Watching movies, browsing, reading, or gaming on this screen feels immersive in a way the regular Z Fold just can't match. When you compare it with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you immediately realize this is a completely different league. This is where the Z Trifold really shines. You can run up to 3 apps at the same time. But here, it actually makes sense. There's enough space for YouTube, Chrome, Notes, or WhatsApp, all open together without feeling cramped. Samsung DeX is also supported, meaning you can turn this device into a mini desktop, move windows freely, and work like you're on a laptop. Now, interestingly, if you try to fold the wrong panel first, the phone warns you with a vibration and on-screen alert, basically saying, "Hey, don't break me." After a little use, you naturally get used to folding it the correct way. Despite having 3 panels, it doesn't feel bulky. Yes, it's slightly dense, but not uncomfortable. When fully unfolded, it actually feels natural and balanced in hand. Not ultra-light, but light enough that you won't feel tired holding it. And when folded, all panels stack cleanly with no awkward gaps, which is impressive. Yes, you can still see creases, but they're less noticeable, especially when watching videos. Compared to the Z Fold 7, the creases feel more refined here. We're not at no crease territory yet, but this is definitely progress. On the back, you get 200 MP main camera, 12 MP ultra-wide, 10 MP telephoto. For selfies and video calls, 10 MP camera on the cover display, 10 MP camera inside. Camera setup is very similar to the Z Fold 7, so expect flagship level performance. Powering this device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same level of performance you'd expect from Samsung's top-tier phones. Battery size is a solid 5600 mAh, which is a big jump over the Z Fold 7's 4400 mAh. It also supports 45-watt fast charging, so topping up won't take long. On the front, Samsung uses Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, while the back is made of ceramic glass fiber reinforced polymer. Thickness breakdown. Thinnest section 3.9 mm, thickest section 4.2 mm. When fully folded, it measures 12.9 mm compared to 8.9 mm on the Z Fold 7. Yes, it's thicker, but you're getting an extra display panel. The Galaxy Z Trifold is already available in regions like China, Taiwan, Singapore, and the UAE. Samsung is expected to launch it in the US in the first quarter of 2026. As for pricing, that's still a mystery, but expected to be premium. So the big question is, would you buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold even if it costs a lot? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to TriTech a B for more future tech coverage. Thanks for watching.